The ResetEDU conference will stimulate the debate on opportunities and challenges that the digital transformation and AI are bringing to education. In session on Didactics of Digital Education, we will discuss the role of teachers to empower students to participate, act and coexist in a digital society, and how to assess the students' progress, modern teaching approaches, and innovative learning environment. In session on School and Society in a Digital World, we will discuss whether the role of the school is changing in the digitalized world. Is the school becoming a space of socialization? How to respond to the needs of different students to build an inclusive classroom climate. In Artificial Intelligence in Education and for Education, we will discuss how AI can help teachers, not replace them. How to use AI meaningfully in teaching and learning. Is it safe to use it in education? And how problematic is its monitoring of the users? Let's reset the education and training for the digital age.